In this video, we are going to see that if you're unable to close Microsoft Edge browser due to whatever reason, here's how you can quickly close it down. So what you can do is just first of all, try this X button. Maybe it is stuck for some time and then it works, or otherwise you just try it from the bottom, right click on it and you just try to close it from here. But if both of them doesn't work, you just right click on the task manager, right click on the taskbar and click on the task manager. And from here, we will select apps. Let me just load the app first, just to show you. And here is Microsoft Edge. You want to right click here and click on end task from here. So that is another way of closing it. If the close button or the close button at the bottom doesn't work. And after that, you might need to restart your computer and see if that helps. But if your Microsoft Edge browser stucks every time and every time you face this problem, you might want to update your Microsoft Edge browser. So here is how you can do it. Just go to the start menu and right here settings and head over to the apps and click on installed apps. And here in the search apps, we want to search for Edge, and basically we click on the three dots next to it. We hit modify and hit yes. Basically it will run a repair process where it will download a fresh copy, update Microsoft Edge completely, and then relaunch the browser. And after that, when this process is done, again, you might need to restart your computer in order to make this more effective. And when the browser relaunches, everything works fine. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.